Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So I was thinking, there's a lot of weird things that are happening in the world right now. People are putting pineapple on pizza, people are squatting their trucks instead of lifting their trucks, and Ford still doesn't put wheel well liners on their trucks. Lucky enough for us, though, there are a couple companies out there like Husky and Rough Country, and maybe a few more companies out there that make wheel well liners that we can install on these trucks so we can actually have a nice finished look. So I picked up this pair from Husky off Amazon. I'll leave it linked below. It's very simple to install. I'm gonna walk you guys through that process right now.
It's time to get to work. Let's get to work, boys.
When you open the box, this is what you're gonna find inside. You've got a wheel well liner for either side of the truck. You've got your instruction manual, and you've got your various hardware that you're gonna be using to install these things. So the installation for these things are gonna be very simple and straightforward. The only tool that you're going to need is one Phillips head screwdriver, because the only hardware that we have for installing these things are these screws. They've got these little washers right here, as you can see, and you're obviously just taking your Phillips head screwdriver and screwing these bad boys in. In the included hardware, you're gonna find these little clip looking things. Now what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be sliding these clips in some various points inside the wheel well of the truck. We're on the passenger side right now. So there's gonna be 4 per side. You're gonna have 1, 2, come down here, 3, you can see this little part right here with my fingers covering up, and then 4. This guy right here. Now what you're doing is you're sliding this guy over this hole and creating a mounting point for those Phillips head screwdrivers to go in. So you're going to mount all 4 of those things in the various spots of your wheel well, and then that way when you put the liner inside, it'll have pre-drilled holes that match up with these guys already, and then you'll simply screw the Phillips head screws right into that. In case you're not sure which side goes on what, as you can see imprinted right here, you've got PS for passenger side, and then the other side will have DS imprinted on it right over here for driver side. Okay, so not gonna lie, it was kind of a pain in the butt to get like the lip and everything all situated, but you know, now that we've got it in, I've already got my little like anchor thing set in place right here, so it really is just as simple as taking your screwdriver and screwing them in. Just like that. Okay guys, so I wanna show you something that I ran into. So we're gonna go underneath the truck real quick. Excuse me. Okay, so the anchoring points that are on the bottom right over here, there's not really a good place to put these clips to like slide them up and over. So I didn't actually slide them through anything. I just let them loose right here and then still drove the screw through it. That way it still does provide somewhat of an anchoring point. I hope it makes sense as to what I'm talking about with there not really being a good place to slide it over, but I'm still using the bottom screws, even though you probably don't have to, because these guys are such a crazy snug tight fit on here. But yeah, just in case you guys run into the same issue as I did. I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong, that's totally a possibility, but that's what I did for the bottom anchoring screw section things.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so both of the wheel well liners are installed on either side. I'd say in total the process took me about 20 minutes. The first one took me about 15 minutes and the second one only took me about 5 minutes, just because I was learning how to like fit the the liner inside the wheel well and everything like that. Also, I would suggest wearing some gloves. The edges of the plastic can be a little sharp, especially when you're pushing and yanking on them. But I'm going to show you guys a little side-by-side thing. Ooh, the Ford Raptor grill looking yummy. Okay. So this is the front. This is what comes factory. So it does have a factory liner on the front, as you can see. And now when you come to the back, so does the rear. And it looks so nice. It looks finished. It looks like a complete truck now. It looked so strange having the fender liners on the front, but not the wheel well liners on the back. So very, very pleased with this. Okay guys, so in conclusion, as you saw, very easy to install, very inexpensive product. I believe Rough Country also makes these, and I think they're a little bit cheaper than the Husky wheel well liners that I went with for my truck. But these guys fit very, very well. Was very easy to install. The instructions were very straightforward as well. So as far as what you're getting for the price that you're paying, I would definitely recommend this product. It looks great. It makes the truck look complete, and it's especially going to look better as you're lifting your trucks and that kind of stuff, because that's just going to expose the wheel well liners even more. So it's nice to have that nice finished complete look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions or anything about the video, leave them down below and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Like I said already in the beginning of the video, I'm going to link these wheel well liners that I picked up in the description of this video. And I'm going to talk to you guys about what my next project is going to be right now. So as you guys know, I have done these LED light pods from Diode Dynamics. So this is the wiring portion that obviously turns the lights on and off that I've got on the inside of my truck right here. Just for like a quick fix, I ran it up underneath my steering wheel right here, but I want to drill, I'm thinking about drilling a hole right here and running this guy up and through here, and maybe just kind of like super gluing the bottom. It's got this little lip on the edge of the light system right here. So I'm thinking about having it sit either right there, maybe even right here, since this is where I control the rest of my lights for my truck. I don't really think I suppose I could run it over here as well, but if you guys have any tips or tricks for drilling into the plastic, if anybody has ever made any modifications to this, let me know. I've been holding off on this product or on this project for a little bit because I'm nervous of drilling into it and potentially cracking all of the plastic right here. So if you guys have a fix or a specific hole drilling bit, let me know, because that's what my next project is gonna be. But like I said, I'm a little bit nervous to ruin the entire dash. But anyway, so that's gonna be the next project that I got for this truck. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said already, the product will be linked below. If you have any questions, leave them below as well, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Yeah.